Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking 3 colors and committing to meaning for each. This reduces decision friction. Once chosen, write a single task or idea per note using verbs and a deadline when possible. After that, stick the note where you will actually take action within 24 hours on your monitor, notebook, or near tools. Make sure to press edges down firmly so they last a day. Doing all this immediately makes sticky notes actionable instead of decorative. You now organize notes into groups that match projects or physical locations to reduce context switching. This cuts wasted time. Once grouped, pick and mark your top 3 tasks for the day with a star or number so selection is automatic. Then arrange notes in a clear workflow, left to right or top to bottom, so progress is visible at a glance. Make sure to remove or archive completed notes daily. Clutter ruins the system's clarity and momentum. You complete tasks by moving finished notes to an archive box or photographing them into a digital log for records. This preserves history without cluttering surfaces. Once a week, review all active notes, migrate ongoing items to fresh notes, and prune duplicates so the board stays lean. If notes start falling off or losing stickiness, reposition them to cleaner surfaces or reinforce with a small piece of tape. This quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.